Hello friends, this is Honest Study. This is the second lecture of work and energy. Let's have a recap of the last lecture. We have saw what is work, how to calculate work, what is the SI unit of work, and what are the forms of work in the last lecture. Let's have a short recap of that. Work is said to be done, force is applied on the body, and due to that force, the body gets displaced. The formula for work done is force into displacement. The SI unit of work is Newton meter or simply as joules. Works exist in three forms. They are positive, negative and zero work. We have saw the derivations. Energy. Today in this lecture we are going to discuss what is energy and what are the forms of energy. Energy is simply defined as the ability to do work. If a work exists, compulsorily there will be a energy. For performing any physical or mechanical work, energy is needed. Any object doing work will have energy. The SI unit of energy is joules. We cannot represent every time as joules. For larger units, we use kilojoules. 1 kilojoule equal to 1000 joules. Forms of energy. Energy exists in various forms. It may be uncountable also. Examples are mechanical energy, chemical energy, sound energy, heat energy, electrical energy, etc. In this chapter, mainly we will be learning kinetic energy and potential energy. Examples: a moving car possesses mechanical energy due to its motion. This is a form of energy. A sound played on stereo is sound or sonic energy. Other name for sound energy is sonic energy. Gravitational energy. Gravitational energy holds the atmosphere to the earth. If there is no gravitational energy, there will be no gravitation also. Burning of wood at bonfire involves chemical energy because chemical reactions take place. Thank you friends.